I want to show you how Turnitin integrates with our Canvas. So if you are in an assignment and there's something that you want your students to turn in that you would really like it to go through a grammar check and or a plagiarism check, using the external tool Turnitin is a really good way to do that. So you're going to create this assignment like you would normally do in a class. Every time I type that, I wonder if I'm spelling it correctly. I'm assuming I am. My suggestion would be to have your students do it from their Google Drive instead of a text box submission. And then you're going to go through like you always do, put it where you want it to go and which assignment group. And here you're going to do external tools and click on the word find. And you're going to go inside this box right here, which is really hard for me to click in for some reason, but I think it's just user error because no one else seems to have this problem. And once you get inside, you're going to go down and they're in alphabetical order to turn it in and hit select. And then you're going to pick your due date, assign it either to everyone or to each individual class you teach or to each student, however it is you want to do that. And then you're going to hit save and publish. Once it is in, you then have the ability to go in and edit it inside of Turnitin for what you want it to do. So you're then going to click on settings and you're going to go in here and go to optional settings. And with this is where you're going to look, do I want it to be any file type? I would say no there. Do I want late submissions? Do I want it to go through a grammar check? And here's where I can choose a grammar based on the grade level that I teach or the school level that I teach. And I can check for spelling. I can check for grammar. Um, Also here, I can attach a rubric. These are rubrics that were uploaded from our school. So if you wanted to do that, you could select a rubric and you could go in and look at the rubric here. And then once you can then compare it, let the paper be compared to other students' papers, to things we have archived on websites, to periodicals, looking for plagiarism issues. And you can also let students see those similarity reports. And I'm kind of a big fan of this because if you allow them to, they can start learning. A lot of times kids don't even realize they're plagiarizing. So you can allow them to resubmit, or if you don't want to, you can allow it where they can't resubmit. So it's kind of up to you how you pick here. And you've got a lot of things, and then you can actually save these for future settings and hit submit. And then when someone submits it, you then have the ability to go in and look at that, what they've submitted, and run it through that rubric and grade it within Turnitin, and it will update to your Canvas gradebook without you having to put that in there.